Good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, how are you all of you?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, beta. How are you all of you?
Fine,
Fine,
ma'am. How are you, ma'am?
ma'am.
Today the topic is pain. Okay. What is pain? Tell me.
Pain means ache, like
Headache like. Okay. Or
earache, headache, or stomach pain.
okay. Pain means
Similar like
Association for the Study of Pain define it is an unpleasant sensory and emotional experience associated with actual or potential tissue damage. Okay, and MC Caffrey, this is a scientist, okay, a nurse and leader in the pain management field. Okay, that's why we are studying now pain and pain management. So has a more useful definition for nurses. Pain is whatever the person expressing it say it is and exits whenever he say it does. Okay, mean pain means unpleasant sensory. Okay, and emotional experience है ना associated with actual or potential tissue damage. Okay, potential or actual tissue damage. Understood? Pain is unpleasant feeling that is conveyed to the brain by sensory neurons. Okay, pain is unpleasant feeling and that is conveyed to the brain by sensory neuron. Okay, every sensory neuron have different work. Na? So this is a conveyed to the brain by sensory neuron. Okay, and discomfort signals, right? Actual or potential injury, any body parts, है ना, to the body. Okay, so pain is generalized unpleasantly, है ना, body sensation or any complex sensation. So that is a physical discomfort, है ना, and physical discomfort and with emotional discomfort, है ना. This is result now from pain, right? So any disease condition or any injury condition, okay, and simple na, this is a pain, right? सबको experience होगा ही pain का, है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone,
yes, ma'am.
हाँ, yes, सबको experience होगा ही pain का, right? So this is a pain, okay, and this is a mainly two types. There are mainly two types, okay, acute and chronic. Okay, pain are two types, okay, acute and sorry, wait, huh? This is a mainly two types, acute and chronic. Acute and chronic, you understand na, what is acute and what is chronic?
Yes, ma'am.
This
Yes,
is a acute pain. Okay, acute pain means recent, है ना? Means beginning suddenly, right?
yes, ma'am.
And complicated with a specific injury. Okay, indicate that damage or injury has occurred. Okay, and last from 2 to 6 months, means continuously start some second and continuously 6 months or extra. Okay, so in a situation where healing is expected in 3 weeks and the patient continues to suffer pain and it should be considered chronic and treated with the intervention used to chronic pain. है ना? Means acute pain is a change, है ना? After 6 months is a change and become a chronic pain. Okay, acute pain is start beginning suddenly, right, and is usually sharp in quality. Okay, and it's severe as a warning of any disease or any threat to the body. है ना? So acute pain caused by many event or any circumstance, like any surgical pain, any traumatic pain, है ना? Like suddenly broken bone. Okay, so this is the acute pain, na? Any cut, है ना? Any burn. So this is a acute pain. Okay, beginning suddenly and usually sharp in quality. Understood what is acute pain?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and their next types of pain, chronic pain. Okay, so what do you understand a chronic pain?
A long time.
Long time.
That-
ma'am.
Long time, ma'am.
Is constant or intermittent pain, okay, that persists beyond the expected healing time, and that can seldom be attributed to a specific causes or injury, and it may have a poorly defined onset, and it is often difficulty to treat because the causes of originated may be unclear, right? Pain then lasts for 6 months or longer, and nevertheless after 6 months, most pain experience are encompassed by problem related to the pain itself. Okay, means chronic pain means क्या होता है कि after acute pain, ना, acute pain is suddenly, okay, suddenly and is caused by something is specific, right, and it is very sharp, and acute pain does not especially last longer 6 months. Okay, and acute pain includes like broken bones, है ना, and burn, cut. Okay, so this is acute pain, and chronic pain, है ना. Chronic pain means that is ongoing. Okay, that is ongoing and usually lasts longer than 6 months. Okay, acute pain usually come on suddenly, है ना, but chronic pain is pain that is ongoing and usually lasts longer than 6 months. Okay, and this type of pain can continue even after the any injury, any illness. Okay, so that is healed or gone away. Okay, means pain signal active in the neuron system for week, month, or many years. Okay, understood, huh? What is chronic and what is acute?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so some people suffer acute pain and some people suffer chronic pain, है ना, even when there is no past injury or apparent body damage. So chronic pain is linked to condition that included, okay, included like headache, है ना, any cancer, है ना, long continuously headache is many year continuously headache is headache or patient feeling, right, suffering from headache. Okay, and cancer pain, है ना, back pain, है ना, nerve pain. So this is a chronic pain. Okay, if you have chronic pain, so like stress affect the body, है ना, and physical condition are changes, right? Means if you have headache, so change in appetite, change in your mood, right? If you have back pain, so your lack of energy, है ना, you have lack of energy, right? Ability to not moving, right? So this is a chronic pain. Okay, understood, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
sometimes chronic
Yes, ma'am.
pain also causes an emotional effect, right? Like depression, है ना, एंगर, है ना, एंजाइटी, फियर. Okay, so sometimes chronic pain also caused emotional effect. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a main two types of pain. Okay, and
Yes, ma'am.
here assessment trick. Okay, pain assessment, PQRST, है ना. फिजिकल एग्जामिनेशन, फिजिकल असेसमेंट में मैंने बताया था ना, PQRST.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is a assessment tools. Okay, this is a assessment tools. Pain measuring for many tools. Okay, but this is important, and pain scale is also important. Okay, so there are many tools to help symptoms and pain figuring out. Okay, so what is P, what is Q, what is R, and what is S, and what is C? P means precipitating, है ना, ultimating factor. Q means quality of pain. R means reason and radiation. Okay. S means severity. Okay. And T means timing. Okay. So this is a tools. Okay. This is a mnemonic, is often used to assess pain, है ना, but it can also be used to assess many signs and symptoms related to the patient main health need and other signs and symptoms, है ना, that are discussed during the complete subjective health assessment, right?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a PQRST tools. Okay, so P means proactive and palliative also, na. So some questions for measuring the pain, and some question for assessment, है ना, any symptoms for pain, है ना. तो when proactive or palliative tools used, that time we are questioning, है ना, like what make your pain worse. This is a question related to pain. Okay, and what make your breathing worse. So this is a question related to like other symptoms, है ना. ये other symptoms वाला मैं आप लोग को already physical assessment में बता चुकी हूँ कि हम किस टाइप का क्वेश्चन करते हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. So this is a proactive and palliative, right? Proactive, what make your pain worse and what make your pain feel better or not, है ना. And symptoms for what make your breathing worse and what make your nausea better or not, है ना. If any sign and symptom present by pain, that time. Okay, and quality, Q for quality, है ना, quality and quantity. Okay, quality and quantity. So what does the feel like, है ना, patient, what does the feel like. Okay, and what does the any symptoms are present like itching or burning, है ना. So this type of question related to pain and related to other sign and symptoms. Okay, for quality and quantity. Quantity means how bad is your pain, है ना, that is quantity. How bad is the itching, है ना, how bad is the burning. So that is a quantity, है ना. And R for, this is a PQ. Okay, and R for reason and radiation. Okay, so for pain questioning, for reason, where do you feel the pain, right? And point to where you feel the pain, है ना. So this is a reason. Okay, and radiation means does the pain move around and do you feel the pain elsewhere. Okay, समझ में आ रहा है सभी को? What is P, what is Q, what is R, and how we can assessment pain, है ना? P, Q, R, S, T through. Okay, so PR, positive and proactive, na? And Q for quality and quantity. R for reason and radiation. Then S for severity and scale. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Severity and scale. So severity means what? Severity means scale measuring, na? This is an important assessment of pain, and when used can provide evaluation of treatment. So effectiveness after baseline, okay, after a scale line for especially severity of pain. Okay, so this is a severity. And what is T? So timing, right? Timing means when did the pain start? What were you doing when the pain started? है ना? Where were you when the pain started? And it is the pain, does it come and go or continuously? And if the pain is intermittent, and when did it last hour, and how long does the pain last? Okay, so this is a T. Okay, and T for timing and T for treatment also for pain. Okay, T for timing means when did the pain start, and what were you doing when the pain start. And treatment means have you taken anything to help relieve the pain, and have you tried any treatment at home for the pain. Okay, so T for timing and T for treatment. Understood everyone? What is a PQRST assessment, pain assessment tools?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, on your video, all of you. On your video. I told you, na, many several tools for pain assessment, right? है ना? But this is a important, okay? PQRST and scale, okay? So हो रहा है सबको ये scale?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So this is a universal pain assessment tools. Okay, this is a universal pain assessment tools, and according to this scale, pain are 3 types. Okay, mild, moderate, and severe. Okay, mild, moderate are worst. ठीक है? So mild, moderate or severe pain. ठीक है? So हो रहा है ना सबको ये scale?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
no
ma'am.
pain means mild, okay, and moderate pain means between, and worst pain या फिर severe pain means last, है ना, end of the scale. Okay, so this is a universal pain assessment tools, and that is used to assess the level of pain in people with limited communication skill, na. So that time use this tool. Okay, any clinical specialized pain management team especially more often and lead to yearly investigation. Okay, so that time use this tool. Okay, universal pain assessment tools. Okay, and pain scale, this is a pain scale, na. So pain scale measure patient pain intensity or other features also. Okay, pain scale are a common communication tool, है ना, and are used in a variety of medical setting. So pain scale are necessary to assess the better assessment of pain. Okay, everyone.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, if between 1 to 3 means mild pain. Okay, show रहा है ना, जिसमें zero pain in patient face expression is like happy. Okay, but 1 to 2 measurement between patient expression like hurt little bit. Okay, and 3 to 4. 3 to 4 means mild pain, na? This is a mild pain. Okay, so that time patient expression hurts little more. Okay, and moderate pain, है ना? Moderate pain means 5 to 7, 8. Okay, but 5 to 6 patient expression hurt even more, है ना? And 7 to 8 hurt whole lot. Okay, means patient feel depression, anxiety, very hurting. Okay, and 9 to 10 means severe pain. Okay, this is a severe pain and worst possible pain, है ना? And that time patient expression like crying, है ना? Burning. Okay, pain area redness. Understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and injury, medical condition, surgery, है ना? Psychological therapy, many causes of pain. Okay. So, what is management for pain? Tell me. हम पेन मैनेजमेंट क्या कर सकते हैं, क्या करते हैं? कभी भी हमको जब पेन होता है तो हम क्या स्टार्ट करते हैं?
Right medication.
मेडिकेशन. ओके, और क्या करते हैं?
First aid, ma'am.
Without medication, if managing na pain without medication, so
Hot water यूज करते हैं.
हाँ,
Hot water यूज करते हैं.
many non-medicine treatment are available to help and manage pain. Okay, like combination of treatment and therapies. Okay, non-medical means like heat, cold, है ना? Ice pack. Okay, any swelling, if heat and cold means use ice pack na immediately after any injury to reduce swelling, right? Heat pack, है ना? Are better for relieving any chronic muscles or any joint injury. That time we are using na heat and cold pack, right? And physical therapy. Physical therapy means continuing stretching. So that time physical therapy means walking, stretching, है ना? Any aerobic exercise like, है ना? So this is me helpful reduce pain. Okay, and especially now time, now very बोलना चाहिए, especially pain relieving mobile होता है कि नहीं होता है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, because mobile improve your mood, है ना? Change your mood. Okay, so you may need to increase your exercise very slowly and avoid overdoing it. Okay, so this is a non-medicine treatment and massage, है ना? This is a better to soft tissue injury and should be avoided of the pain is in the joint, and there is some evidence that suggests massage may help massage pain. Okay, but it is not recommended as a long-term therapy. Okay, this is a only acute term therapy. Okay, only for use acute pain and relaxation and stress management technique. Okay, so this is a non-medication management. Okay, without medicine management. Understood? हाँ, acupuncture सबको पता है? Acupuncture.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Chinese medicine होता है ना? Chinese acupuncture, inserting thin needles, specific point on the skin. This is the acupuncture. Okay, without medication. This is acupuncture therapy and involve inserting very thin needle and into a specific point on the skin. Okay, and their main aim to restore balance within the body and encourage it to heal by releasing natural pain relieving. Okay, so some people find that acupuncture reduce the severity of pain. Okay, so this is a maintain function and effective. Okay, acupuncture is managing pain is inconvulsive. Understood, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and with pain management, with medicine pain management, so you know na paracetamol, aspirin, है ना, any anesthesia, anti-epileptic medicine. This is a normally painkiller. Okay, many people will use a pain medicine, analgesic at some time in their life. Okay, paracetamol often recommended as the first medicine, है ना. Aspirin, short-term relief, any fever, and as a period of headache. So that time, है ना. So this is the pain medicine, pain management, including medicine. Okay, understood, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
But when pain management with medicine, na, that time choosing the right pain medicine, okay, means right choice to medicine for patient will depend on like their location, their intensity, है ना, their duration and type of pain, okay, and activity, right? Activity, pain or make it worse or not, है ना. So depend on their all this type of symptoms. Okay, the impact any pain has on life, such as how is affect, है ना, patient appetite and quality of sleep. So choosing the right pain medicine. Okay, and managing medicine effectively, you know, means always follow instruction for taking medicine and safely and effectively, you know, means if pain is more likely to be well managed and you are less likely to need larger dose of medication, you know, you can reduce your risk of side effect, right? So medication or chronic pain are best, not a acute pain for best. Okay, everyone understood what is pain and what is tools and what is universal pain assessment,
Yes, ma'am.
PQRST tools. Understood, huh?
Yes, ma'am. Understand.
Normal pain is divided by two types, okay, acute and chronic. But universal pain assessment tools according divided three types, okay, mild, moderate, and severe. Okay,
Mhm. Okay, ma'am.
okay, only 45 member present. Okay, so tomorrow for your assignment. My voice audible? Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. On your video, all of you. Parmesh Labani is left now. Okay. Okay. So tomorrow for your assignment. Okay. Which topic assignment?
Vital signs.
No, vital signs. Hmm. Okay. Care with patient. Care patient with pain. Care patient with pain.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Care of patient with pain. This is a assignment for tomorrow. Okay, everyone.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
What
ma'am.
happened?
Okay.
Yes. क्या हो गया इतना फेशियल एक्सप्रेशन चेंज क्यों हो गया ओके सो आज के क्लास से किसी को कोई डाउट है एनीवन हैव एनी डाउट अबाउट टुडे टॉपिक
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Okay, so today class is over. Okay, bye everyone.
Okay, ma'am. Bye,
Thank
ma'am.
you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye everyone. I want to